Supplier Platinum is the award given to the suppliers of Raytheon Technologies. Raytheon Technologies is the major customer for Titan Engineering and Automation Limited. Raytheon is having more than 14,000 suppliers across the world for different commodities. TEAL is the supplier for machining commodity. The Supplier Platinum criteria is having 4 different requirements. One is on-time delivery, the second is the quality, the third is the customer satisfaction, and the fourth one is supplier health. There is no compromised metrics for any of the 4 different requirements. OTD and quality, they should be always 100%. And the customer satisfaction, we should have more than 6 out of 7. In the supplier health criteria, we have 4 different requirements on the lean tools, quality tools, and standard work, and also the resource management. We should score more than 80% in all the 4 different criteria of supplier health. The other requirement for getting supplier platinum is to get shortlisted, we should maintain minimum of 2 years in all these metrics. So TEAL is maintaining these metrics from April 2020, and we went for certification audit in August 2022, and we got the Supplier Platinum Award in November 22. One of the important milestone is TEAL is the only supplier in Asia Pacific region for getting Supplier Platinum Award in machining commodity. And also with the continuous support of management and the team's effort, we are maintaining for another 2 years. And this certification award, we got reassessed in August 2024. And recently, we got the information from Raytheon that we are continuing the Supplier Platinum journey and the award. Thanks to the senior management team and the employees of TEAL for sustaining this great award.